Marhaba everyone. Hello everyone. And welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. In this video, we will be learning how to say I will see you in Arabic along with few practicing sentences. Let's dive in. First, I will see you in Arabic can be said either by saying will or by leaving it out. Either way, it's going to have the same meaning. For now, we're going to learn I will see you without will. I will see you in Arabic will end up to be only one word, so we're going to break it into words to understand how we got to the end word. Starting with see. See is شوف. شوف. When you're saying I see, since now we're not using will, every time you're saying I before any verb, the verb will take a be at the start of it. So I see will be بشوف. بشوف. You can still say أنا بشوف. Either way, it will be correct simply because the letter B is only added to the verb once you're saying أنا. Now, all you are left with is adding the ending to بشوف depending on this you who it is said to. So depending on the person you're talking to. So if you're saying, I will see you to a male, you will say بشوفك. بشوفك. And of course, you can also say أنا بشوفك. And to a female, it will be بشوفك. بشوفك. Or أنا بشوفك. أنا بشوفك. And to more than one person, it will be بشوفكن. بشوفكن. Or أنا بشوفكن. Simply because we have already learned in previous lessons that whenever you're talking to a male, that you add, whenever you're talking to a female, it's always the ending ik that you add, and to more than one person, it will be the kun. And now, after learning بشوفك, بشوفك, بشوفكن, we're going to put them into practice, starting with the first one in a form of a one-on-one conversation between two males. In this first practice, we will be using words that has already been learned in previous lessons, as well as we will be learning new ones. Let's start. So hello, how are you to a male? مرحبا, كيفك? He's answering with I am good. Thank you. أنا منيح. شكرا. Now the question, how was your day at your uncle's house on Friday? In lesson 7, we have learned how to introduce family members. And let's say now uncle on mom's side. And he's saying your uncle to a male. So the question will be كيف كان نهارك ببيت خالك الجمعة؟ كيف كان نهارك ببيت خالك الجمعة? So uncle on mom's side is خال, and saying your uncle to a male will be خالك. And if his answer is it was good, and how was your day today? كان منيح. وكيف كان نهارك اليوم؟ كان منيح وكيف كان نهارك اليوم؟ Now he's answering with it was alright. I will see you for coffee after work. كان عادي. شوفك for coffee. Coffee is قهوة, and you would say على قهوة. شوفك على قهوة بعد الشغل. And his last answer is I will see you soon. I will see you to a mail. شوفك soon is قريبا. قريبا. Now I'm going to repeat this as an ongoing conversation. مرحبا، كيفك؟ أنا منيح، شكرا. كيف كان نهارك ببيت خالك الجمعة؟ كان منيح. وكيف كان نهارك اليوم؟ كان عادي. بشوفك على القهوة بعد الشغل. بشوفك قريبا. The second practice will be a conversation between two females. Hello, how are you today? مرحبا، كيفك اليوم؟ I am good, thank you. And you? أنا منيحة، شكرا. وأنت؟ I am good, thank you. How was dinner at your parents' house on Saturday night? أنا منيحة، شكرا. كيف كان العشاء ببيت أهلك السبت عشية؟ أنا منيحة، شكرا. كيف كان العشاء ببيت أهلك السبت عشية؟ It was very good. How is your day today? كان كتير منيح. كيف نهارك اليوم؟ It is good. I am at work now, but I will see you at your house afterwards. And of course, again, this sentence is being said by girl. منيح أنا بالشغل هلا، بس أنا شوفك ببيتك بعدين. منيح أنا بالشغل هلا، بس أنا بشوفك ببيتك بعدين. So house is bed. And since here we're saying your house to a female, so it became بيتك. Again, I'm going to repeat this as an ongoing conversation. مرحبا، كيفك اليوم؟ أنا منيحة، شكرا. وأنت؟ أنا منيحة، شكرا. كيف كان العشاء ببيت أهلك السبت عشية؟ كان كتير منيح. كيف نهارك اليوم؟ منيح. أنا بالشغل هلأ، بس أنا بشوفك ببيتك بعدين. As for the third conversation practice, as an example, we have a conversation going between a male and a group of people. And when I say multiple or group of people, it could be two people or more. Hello, how are you today? مرحبا, كيفكن اليوم? We are good, thank you. And you? نحن منيح, شكرا. وأنت? I am good, thank you. How is your day going today? أنا منيح، شكرا. كيف نهاركن اليوم? So even if in English you might add the verb going to your question, that will not make any changes to the question in Arabic, because in Arabic we only use going when we're actually using the verb going, that I'm going somewhere. Other than that, going will not be added. So now if they are answering with, it is going good. We are at uni right now, but we were at the coffee shop in the late morning. And you, how's your day going? So the answer, this long answer, will be منيح. So as you notice, it is going good. I simply answered منيح. نحن بالجامعة هلا. So right now, I simply said هلا. بس نحن كنا بالقهوة قبل الظهر. وأنت كيف نهارك؟ And his answer being, my day is good. I will see you at my house for dinner tonight after uni. نهاري منيح. أنا بشوفكن ببيتي على العشاء عشية بعد الجامعة. نهاري منيح, because we're saying my day is good, and whenever you're saying my, it's going to be translated into a that you add at the end of the word that you have after my. So day is نهار, my day نهاري. نهاري منيح, أنا بشوفكن ببيتي على العشاء عشية بعد الجامعة. So I'm going to repeat this again as an ongoing conversation. مرحبا، كيفكن اليوم؟ نحن منيح شكرا، وانت؟ أنا منيح شكرا. كيف نهاركن اليوم؟ منيح. نحن بالجامعة هلأ، بس نحن كنا بالقهوة قبل الظهر. وانت كيف نهارك؟ نهاري منيح. أنا بشوفكن ببيتي على العشاء عشية بعد الجامعة. So that would be it for today's lesson, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it easy to learn. I tried to use as many words as I can from the previously learned lessons. And as I always say, you can do the same thing, your own practice, combining any words learned. And if you would like to learn more of the non-formal Arabic, please subscribe and I will see you in the next one.